today's video, we will learn about signs and symbols. Do you know that signs and symbols that you can see everywhere are important? Signs and symbols are objects that represents an idea, a concept or a reminder or even a direction. You can find signs and symbols on roads, in school, in establishments, and even in consumer products. Now, let's see how many of them do you know. Restroom, mail, keep dry, fragile, disabled person, recycle, no smoking, warning, danger, inflammable, road signs and symbols, traffic light, do not enter, stop, no parking, parking lot, no left turn, no right turn, no U-turn, one way, winding road, slippery road, no walking, no running, digging man, stop, minimum speed, pedestrian lane, U-turn, two-way, slow down, falling rocks, no bicycle, cell phone prohibited, no picture taking, hospital, no swimming, school zone, no food and drink allowed, hand wash, wear a face mask, social distancing, no sit allowed. You should familiarize yourself with these signs and symbols, for it will keep you safe and away from danger.
If you like my video, please
don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching
to my channel.